Welcome back to our animal sound adventure. Today, we're going to learn the sounds of some amazing animals. Are you ready? Let's get started. First up, we have the big, strong bear. Now let's meet the busy beaver. Next, we have the silly baboon. Time for the big, strong buffalo. And last but not least, the cute little bunny. Wow, you all did amazing today. Now you know the sounds of a bear, baboon, beaver, buffalo, and bunny. Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and join us next time for more animal sound adventures. Bye for now!